Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we'll see how to send notifications from your Clappia app directly to a Microsoft Teams channel. This can be useful when your team is already using MS Teams and you need important updates from Clappia to reach them there automatically. Let's see how to set this up. I've already signed into Clappia and I'll be using this app as an example. This is just a simple incident reporting app that I've created earlier. Now what I want is that whenever an incident is logged, I need a notification to be sent to my team on MS Teams. To set up MS Teams, go to Design App, then go to Workflows, click on Add Step, and select Microsoft Teams. Of course, you can put it under any flow, such as the Edit Submission flow or the Review Submission flow. Now, once you've added this step, you can set it up on the right panel. You can give it a name if you want or leave it as it is. Then click on Authenticate with MS Teams. You will get a pop-up window to log into your MS Teams account. Use the ID from whose account you want to send the message from. Once you have entered the email ID, grant the access permissions to Clappia. You can see it is now authenticated for me, and I have some options here to set up. You will need to provide the channel link to where you are sending the message. Ensure that the account you authenticated with has access to the channel you want to send messages to. To find the channel link, log into your MS Teams account, then go to that specific channel. On the left panel, click on the three dots here and click Copy Link. Then paste that link here in Clappia. Now for the body, this is the actual message that will be posted in Microsoft Teams. You can type a simple message directly or you can pull data from your app submission. Just type @ and you'll see a list of all the fields from your app. You can select any of them to include details. So I will just type something here really quickly, include some field values, and save this. Now let's test it. Since I placed this workflow step here under New Submission Flow, I will go to App Home, make a quick random submission, and check whether I have received any message on MS Teams. And as you can see, I have received the notification at the channel I have linked it with. Please note, this workflow is to send messages from Clappia to MS Teams. Also, this will work for the Clappia mobile app. If you have any questions in setting this up or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always raise a support request by clicking the button over here at the top. You can select AI Assistant as it is trained on all of Clappia's help material to give you a more tailored solution, or you can select any other option and our support team will get in touch. Thank you.